Hello guys, welcome back to Good Share Tips, and let's dive into the workarounds. So you just have to follow these simple instruction. So first one among them is you just have to restart your PC. That is what you have to do. So to do just restart, you just have to go over here, click over here, go for restart, and you're good to go. The system will be completely done a restart, and you just have to open the Epic Games once again, and you have to try to launch the game, and most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. Even after trying this, if it's not working, the next is all about you have to verify integrity of game files. As you can see, right now I'm having Fall Guys over here. So what I have to do is I just have to click on three-dot menu over here. Then I just have to go for verify. So as you can see, if any files are corrupted or if any files are missing, this will be fixing itself by default, so that you will not be having any trouble. Sometimes most of the troubles which happens in the game happens because of this one. So you just have to keep a habit of verifying the game files, and if it necessary, both in Steam as well as on the Epic Games. So you just have to try with this. Even after trying this, you can launch the game, and most probably the issue has to be fixed. And even after try this, if it's not working, then we just have to talk about the next one. Next one is all about you have to flush DNS. So if you wanted to flush DNS, you just have to go over here and you just have to search for CMD. Click on run as administrator. So I'll give you a few commands over here, so you just have to follow this. That is, first one is ipconfig /flushdns. Okay, I'll give this in the description so you don't have to worry. And as you can see, we have successfully resolved DNS cache. Next is all about you have to go for ipconfig /registerdns. Then you just have to press enter. So as you can see, this will take a little bit of time and it will be done. As you can see, this is done. You just have to go for next command, that is ipconfig /release. Just have to press enter. Once it is done, you just have to go for a few more things, that is ipconfig /renew. Press enter. Once it is done, you just have to go for next one, that is ipconfig. You just have to, the next command is netsh space winsock space reset. Don't get confused, I'll be giving these in the description, just do one by one. Press enter, and all these things are completely done. They're asking us to restart the PC. So what you have to just have to close this, go over here and restart your PC, and most probably this will be completely fixed. And even after trying this, if it's still not working, I would like to recommend you one more step, that you just have to go over here in the search, and you have to search for ncpa.cpl. okay, just go for over here. So this will take you to this, and this is all about try changing DNS server. So as you can see, I've connected to the Wi-Fi, so you just have to right click and navigate to properties. From here, as you can see, I just have to go to Internet Protocol version, so I double click, and here as you can see, I have already given the preferred DNS server as alternate DNS server. So in cases if it's not there, just give these values and go for OK, close all these things and do a restart and try go back to the Epic Games launcher. And so even after trying this, if it's not working, then we just have to do something more a little bit. So that is all about you have to check the server status, because sometimes when many users are trying to play at a time, definitely they'll be having the issue on the Fall Games. So I'll be giving a link in the description which will take you to this. So as you can see, this is the official page of Fall Guys, where you will be getting all the updates, what's happening across the globe, if they are going through any kind of server issues and all those things. And even I'll be giving one this, as you can see right now. So this is what happens in the Fall Guys outages reported in the last 24 hours. So it is very visible from here. If they're going through any kind of server issues, most probably you'll be able to know this is what you have to do. Even after trying this, also you have to parallelly make sure of two things. One among them is you just have to make sure that you should be having a good internet connection. So if here, as you can see, I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. So if my Wi-Fi is not good enough, I mean it's not having good speed, then most probably I'll be having the issue. So you have to keep always a habit that you just have to check when you're trying to play online. When you're inviting your friends, you always have to make sure a habit that you're having good internet connections, and it is connected, it's not been having any kind of issues with the modem and all those things. You just have to do that from your side. And even after trying this, if it's all good, you just have to go for the next one. That is all about you have to update the drivers. So if you wanted to update the drivers, you just have to go over here on the start, right click over here and navigate to device manager. From here you just have to go over here. As you can see on the network adapters, you just have to expand this, and over here as you can see from the network adapters, you right click and you just have to go over here. So now what you have to just have to select the respective one, and there is an option called update driver. So you can do this stuff from here itself. You can search automatically for the drivers, and as you can see it is all good, and this is what you have to do. And sometimes same for the display adapters also you have to do. That is NVIDIA GeForce, as you can see. So you just have to right click and go for update driver. So search automatically for drivers. As you can see, this is already up to date, so there is no issue with that. So parallelly you have to add up with these, and this is how you can fix this. So there is one more step which you have to try out, which is all about allow an app through Windows Firewall. So in order to do this, you just have to go over here and you just have to search for Windows Defender Firewall. You just have to go over here. Now from here you just have to click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and from here you just have to, as you can see, there is an option called allow another app. So you just have to click on this one. Now from here what you have to just have to click on the browse, so that it will be redirect to where the game, you just have to go to the path where the game is installed, and you have to select the respective path and you just have to go for add. And once it is done, you just have to go over here and go for OK. And now you just have to close this one and you have to try to play the game. And most probably you can add this step also, and this is going to help you guys also out also. And this is what you have to do, and I hope you can also try the parallel workarounds, and that's going to help you guys. Launch the game, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.